Toys R Us. You'll never outgrow us.
In your living rooms for the past 40 years. And I'm just so grateful.
Yes! Fine! Eric, why we survive everything? Oh well, it's only very small.
Hi out there. It's me, Agnieszka. Have you seen Philip? My puppy?
Let's see. Whoa.
Everybody that you meet has an original.
TW! Yeah! What? So weird. So weird. It's going to great time. Hi, everybody.
Toys R Us. You'll never outgrow us.